Good morning everybody. Today I'm going to help you count in 2's, 5's and 10's to solve a problem. And today we're going to visit a market. And in that market they are selling bags of potatoes, they are selling crates of pineapples and they are selling baskets of swede. Okay, and each one has a certain number in each amount. So here, as you can see at the top, there are 10 potatoes in each bag, there are 5 pineapples and there are 2 swedes in each basket. So here is a word problem and it says how many swedes are there in 4 baskets? So we have to look up the top and we know that there are 2 swedes in each basket. So first I need to draw my baskets. And how many baskets do I need? That's right, I need 4 baskets. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 4 baskets first. So here are my baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you can do is either you can draw the amount in the baskets or you can just count in. I wonder what we have to count in to find out how many swedes there are in 4 baskets. How many are in each one? That's right, there are 2. So I need to count in 2's. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. So how many swedes are there in 4 baskets? There are 8 swedes. Excellent, well done. So now we're going to go on to the next one. And it says, how many pineapples are there in 6 crates? So, just like last time, I'm going to draw the crates first. Okay, so here are my 6 crates. 1, 2, and I can do 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, because 3 add 3 equals 6. Now, this time we're going to be doing pineapples, okay? So, I wonder how many pineapples are in each crate. That's right, there are 5. So, I need to count in 5's. Excellent. So you can either draw the pineapples or I'm just going to count in 5's like this. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to go on to another word problem. And this time it says how many bags are needed for 30 potatoes. So this time I need to work it out a little bit differently. So we need to work out how many bags to make 30. And we are going to be looking at the potatoes. So here are the potatoes and there are 10 potatoes in each bag. So I'm just going to count in 10's and draw the bag. So I've got 1 bag of potato, which equals 10. That's not 30 yet, is it? So I need another 10, 20. What comes next? 30. Excellent. So how many bags have I got? I have 1, 2, 3. So I need 3 bags of 30 potatoes. So you can either do challenge 1, challenge 2 or challenge 3, okay? A, B or C. And they will require you to count in 2's, 5's and 10's. I look forward to seeing your amazing work. Have another brilliant day.